Hello folks, welcome back. In previous lecture we have created two Ansible playbooks. One Ansible playbook is going to create a Docker image and push that image onto Dockerhub. Another one is to pull the Docker image and create a container out of it. In this video I'm going to show you how we can limit creating image only on Ansible system and deploy it only on the target environment. Once it is tested, we are going to modify our Jenkins job to automate all this process. Without wasting our time, let's jump into our Ansible server. I am on my Ansible server, currently under OPT Docker. If I list out, I have image.yml and project.yml. And I have logged in as a ANS admin because we want to execute playbooks as a ANS admin. And there was a typo in our playbooks. If you are using same playbook, please update it. It should be true. There was a typo over here. And let's try to understand this playbook one more time. Image.yml is going to create an image with our latest var file, then tag it as a Jenkins so that we can able to push it into our Jenkins Dockerhub repository. Then push this one to Dockerhub, remove from the local server. Next playbook is project.yml, and if you see this playbook is going to stop the container, then remove the container, then remove the Docker image which used to create a old container, and this won't get executed because it is commented out. Next, it pulls the latest image which was created by the previous playbook, then create a container out of it. Okay, before executing these playbooks, I will just show you the Dockerhub. So this is our Dockerhub. If you see our Dockerhub, there are 48 commits so far on our Dockerhub, and the last image was updated 8 minutes ago. Now I'm going to run our Ansible playbook, image.yml playbook, but we want to create image on Ansible system. To limit our Ansible playbook to execute only on specific system, we can use an option called limit while executing our Ansible playbook. Let's execute our Ansible playbook to create an image on our Ansible system and push that into Dockerhub. To execute Ansible playbook -i. Okay, let me show you the hosts file. Here we have two servers in our hosts file. I want to limit to execute only on the local host. And also let's list out our Docker images. We have an image called Tomcat. Let's remove this one. Okay, no images are there. Let's execute our Ansible playbook. Ansible playbook -i hosts and playbook name --limit. I'm limiting this playbook to execute only on localhost. Localhost nothing but our Ansible server. So it creates an image over here and push that image onto Dockerhub and remove from the local system. We'll wait until this playbook get executed. Okay, image has been created and updated the tags and pushing the image onto Dockerhub and removed from the local system. And if we see Docker images here, you cannot see your simple DevOps project image because it pushed and removed, and only you can see Tomcat. This is a base OS for our image. And if I go to Dockerhub and refresh it, instead of 48 it should go as a 49, and a few seconds ago it has been updated. Alright, this is how we can limit our Ansible playbook to execute only on specific system. Similar way, I want to create a container by using this image on target environment. In our case, our target environment is our Docker host. So let's see Docker images. Some images are there. Docker ps-a. A container is running. I will remove this container. Docker stop container ID. Then Docker rm container ID docker rmi to remove image. So I'm removing this image. All right, docker ps minus a, nothing is there. Docker images, no images. And let's try to access our application from the browser. It won't work right now because container is not available. Let's execute our Ansible playbook to create a container on the target system. Let me clear the screen. ls and Ansible playbook minus I hosts and our playbook followed by target server IP address. We have updated this IP address in our hosts file. So same thing I'm using. Let's execute it. And this time, if we see no images, it should get a new image over here. And we'll see. Okay, I think this time it should be available. Yep, new image is there. And a new container also created. Yes, our application is working now because our container is available. Alright, this is how we can restrict our Ansible playbooks to execute only on specific systems. But I have run these playbooks manually. In next video, I will update our Jenkins job to execute these playbooks by using the Jenkins job itself to automate our entire CICD pipeline. Alright, I will see you in the next video.